Here's the app called Aviart AI photo generator, create and transform live photos. So here's the app, quite a popular app in its category. So you can animate old photos, transform old photos, animate your memories, turn yourself into a doll. Moscow has to grow, discover AI photo styles, apply the best trending effects, generate visual content in seconds through cutting-edge artificial intelligence, ignite your creative spark with Aviart, the ultimate app for creators looking to elevate their social media presence. So this app has few thousand ratings, 2.6, I guess. So it's not some like Chinese spammy app. I hope it's a high quality app. And then you have yearly access for $30 or weekly access for $8 per week. And then you have all of these AI video effects where you can just create short AI videos. Then you have coins, which you can get. Then you have settings, creator, text to image, and then you need to create it. Unfortunately, you're not given any free coins to start with. Then you have your project. You can create your project. You can still give access. So for example, I have this template. And then it all requires coins, unfortunately. Yeah, so they don't have any free version. Anyhow, if you want me to show you the full overview of this app is an upgraded version, yep, I will upgrade. Feel free to like this video or leave your suggestion in the comments if it's important for you to have an overview of this app, Aviart AI photo generator. I think this is the app in terms of like there is Hula AI, there is Pixely app, there is Video Max. I think Hula AI is a really nice app in this category, so go try it out, which I upgraded in that app. You can see my reviews on that. So here is Hula app, really high quality app, which you can try if you're looking for something similar.